There's only 3 more rehearsals to go, and then currently we have the first match that's shoot. So Captain.
Sitting, perfect.
Hey, hello! Nara ko din eh! Nakahimo na gid ko! Kay...
Ito na yung gipit.
Wala na! Wala na! Wala na! Wala na!
Gusto may payment sa App Store. This is so JV, guys.
Hindi naman ko magsanboy, okay naman ko.
I always be.
Why is it? No, do you not know how to vlog?
No. 31 or 24?
31 subscribers na.
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I
31.
You watch our
Naka-dehydrate.
videos niya. Like,
It's like-
yung naka-on siya siyang post notifications.
Kabalo ka sa ako
Asa?
Ara ako
Famous kay Jay, no?
Famous at KJ, di lang siya magsaba sa... Ay, lagi, baliw, videolar ba? Yes. I'm gonna edit it again. Like the other one that I made. Hi guys, it's me. I'm the one who edited the memes in the... I make memes about MCS and it's from the Untouchables. So
You're so funny, yeah.
yeah, I make them funny. So
You have to trust me, Bia.
so it can be humorous and more attractive. You can start vlogging now, like... Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm about... Stop saying hi guys challenge. Anyways, follow. Hi my people. Bro, you have so many eye bags. Aba, ni mo eh.
Janil.
No. No. Purity retreat vlog. I'll resort when I first saw the 10 seconds of the video, I was confused. Oh, wait, why are they sleeping together? I was so confused. I wasn't sleeping with them. I was sleeping by myself. I was sleeping by myself.
Pag-rat mintuhan ni Juliana. Wa mi serve na wa. At sige, wala mi serve ni JB ko ano, or serve ni chair dia wa mi ko.
Or untouchables, Hey, have you seen the video?
Yo.
AJ birthday vlog already.
Not yet.
Oh, so I'm gonna make another one. Look at this. You can check something.
He only headed spars nga na siya. So narcissist.
Last
We were so cool last time and what make it you?
Yeah, that's the reason. Like, none of them did us.
Girl, lapigan mo sa mga BFF na mo. Na namin new friend group. Kato mga nag-send og video.
Hi, Zoe. Amen. Hi guys.
The fun! Where's your phone challenge?
Idan Van Gorja.
Bye po sa vlog ba? Bye mo
Ay,
ba?
naman may YouTube channel no.
Ina, hi.
Shout out de kong Kwan.
Ano lang, kung pwede. Si Juan, si
Tulula Peña King.
Where's the car challenge? We made it! Oh! Okay, so you guys there. One touch lang. Lisa, and Brianna. Kita ninyo! Biyanin ninyo! Nagsigip ito bigyan ka sa Julian na sa staff of one.
Small talk, no conversation. That look makes me impatient. I can't tell what you're thinking. Please tell me what you're thinking. Last night we were more than fine. Just tell me if you changed your mind. If you changed your mind. Cause I'm all in. I'm calling, no answer. You text me when you feel like, when it feels right to you. But I'm all in, I'm falling faster. But if you're looking at me with the heart of doubt, don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show up at my house all caught up in your feelings. Don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me down.
Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next vlog. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you guys in our next vlog.